Today we'll be looking at some of the momentum stocks, which could be a potentially good buy candidate. So first, Navin Fluorine, it has fallen quite a bit from its top, from its highest point. It has fallen. It had fallen by around 31%. Now it's rising. Why this is a candidate? Why? Because it's rising from its very important support level. You can see here. So, and moreover, if we look at the volume formation is also quite a bit higher compared to its all previous volume, and it's a very important fundamentally good stock. So if I take a trade over here, then my profit would be somewhere here where the order block had formed. So it means from here, if I go in and measure, it's giving me around 9%, but potentially it is going to breach its all-time high. So long-term investing is also not a problem with this particular stock, right? Second stock is Trent. Now again, Trent has breached its all-time high. If we look at the weekly level, it has broken its all-time high. That's a good momentum, and with a good momentum, when you look at the volume spike is also quite great here. So this could also be a buy candidate. If I buy here, where should be my target? If I draw the fib from its lowest to its highest point, we can see my first target would be around 2470, which is from the current price is around 9 or 10%. Third one is REC. Now this is also particularly a good stock. Sorry. It's REC Limited. Be careful. If we look at the volume formation, again the volume formation is good. Quite a bit, buy volume has been coming in from last couple of months. So it's also at its all-time high. So if we want to look at the target, again we'll draw the fib from its lowest point to its highest point, and a target will be at around 335, which is from its current price approximately 9 or 8%. Then the next candidate is Dabur, which I had mentioned about around 1 week back or so. Since then it has risen quite a bit. So again, Dabur, why it's a good candidate? Let's take a look at it. It's again taking support from a very important level. Somewhere here I had suggested this particular stock. Of course, do your own due diligence. This is only for educational purpose. So now if I want to find out the target, it will be from its current price, nearest target. If I look at 596 fib retracement, will give you around 10-12%. Then it's ONGC. Again, very clean breakout has happened. Only concern is that it's a public sector entity, so we have to be careful with it. But yes, when the gas prices will rise when winter arrives in many of then it can make quite a bit of money, and of course it's into exploration as well. So the price of crude will also affect its potential growth. So again, if I want to take a look at it and its potential point to which it can rise, Sorry. So from here it can give a target from its current price. Around 7 or 8% would be the first target, that is up to 207, and the second target would be around 11.5, that is up to 216. Then we have Davis Lab. Again a clean breakout stock with a very good volume, and it's a very good company. So if I want to find out its potential target, my first target of course will be its high point at this point. So from its current price, if I measure this point, that gives me around itself 12%. That is a decent enough amount, and moreover it's bouncing from its 200 DMA. So please do your own due diligence before investing into this stock. These are all wonderful stocks and investment grade stocks which can be kept for long term as well. But please perform your own analysis before you take position in these stocks. I'll keep coming with such stocks list every now and then. So please do subscribe to the channel. See you. Bye bye.